Hello friends, welcome back once again. Today we are starting module 3, that is data visualization. With data visualization we mean that chart. So chart is an essential part of the Excel data visualization. When we want to show the data to someone, you visualize it. So it is visualized through some graphics, some charts. That is data visualization. So we have to know some of the principles of data visualization. The first point is we have to have a clarity and simplicity. For the sake of knowing that I know the chart, how to create and this, we should not be making the chart so fancy, so colorful, because your chart is going to be seen by so many people of different backgrounds. So that some of them may like it, some of them may not like it. So you have to keep it all these 3 points like clarity and simplicity should not it should have a maximum impact, and then all those noise stuff should be avoided. And if anything you are adding is not adding any value or serve any purpose to the point which you are going to narrate, which you are going to show, then get rid of it. And when you are presenting the chart, you should be creating a narrative. You should not simply present the chart. If, for example, if the sales of your product in a particular month is very high and in a particular month it is very down, then you should have a narrative why it was very low on that particular month. The story should be there behind, so you can add a pointer to that point, that this is because of that effect or something like that. So you should have a narrative, okay, tell a story and communicate the key insights clearly, quickly and powerfully. And the third important point is design and function. Design, not so fancy, but still it should be relevant. If you are presenting the data for any music industry, for any film industry, or for any multinational companies, so theme should be matched with the topic which you are going to present. And the functionality you are presenting, like the click or link or any sound or any music added to any presentation or any, should be matching. So selecting the right type of the chart is also very critical. You have to select whether it should be bar chart or should be pie chart. So that should be very critical, and we are going to learn all those different kind of charts. And the last point is very important, that beautiful is good, functional is better, and both are ideal. All right. And the next 3 questions which you should be asking whenever you are making any chart, then you should be asking to yourself, what type of data you are working with. Is it a sales data, is it population data, or is it geographical data, or is any other kind of temperature data? So you have to ask what kind of data you are working with, and accordingly you have to select the right chart. And what you are trying to communicate, who is the end user consuming this information. Are you presenting the chart to a multinational company CEO, or to a client, or to your team members, or your to colleagues? You have to keep this in your mind, that who you are going to present, what you are trying to communicate. So these are some basic theory, and then in the first lesson we are going to try how to insert a chart in Excel. All right, we have some data of a movie, some movies theater, like these are the genre, the comedy, thriller, documentary, romance. And in the month of January, February up to December, we have, this is the number of ticket sales, how much ticket comedy films, comedy movies sold in the month of January, so as February, and so on. Like that for thriller kind of movies, how much ticket were sold in the month of this January, February up to December. So these data are given. So if we are presenting this data, let me little bit zoom it. So if you are presenting this data to your client or your consumer, then it may be a little bit difficult to realize that what is the actual figure, and it is not able to read it properly. Okay, so instead of presenting this figure, it would be always better to present in a chart. How we can insert the chart, that we are going to learn here. So first, before inserting, what you need to do is that you have to select the chart data for which you want to insert the chart. So I'm going to insert a chart for these all four genres, and then for the month of January, February, March, only for 4 months. Once you select the data, then you will have the option in the insert tab. Then there is a chart, recommended chart is there. You can click first this one, insert a column chart or bar chart. We will be starting learning with the basic. So there are 4 types of chart. One is 2D bar chart, okay, then next is 2D stack chart, and third is 2D 100% stack charts, and next is 3D chart. It is same as the 2D, except the difference is it is a 3D, and this is 3D stack chart, and this is 3D 100% stack chart, and this is 3D column chart. These are bar chart, and this is column chart, and now this is bar chart. So any of the chart which you want, you can insert here. So let's insert the first 2D chart, column chart, 2D clustered column chart. Let's bring it a little bit down, and here you see that this is the data, ticket sales data range from starting from 0 to 60,000. According to your selected data, it will automatically arrange. So this is axis, y axis, okay, and this is x axis. And x axis we are having movie genre, so comedy, thriller, documentary, romance. But here this is called legends. So legend here is series 1, series 2, series 3. So we can include this one as, if we select this one like this, then it will come that insert, then 2D chart. Where is that? This here. Let's include 2D chart. Let's delete this one, the first one. Okay, now we are having this. So this is for comedy, and this is for thriller, and this is for documentary, and this is for romance. So all bar chart of column chart of these 4 movie genre is being displayed here. But these colors is representing something different. Here you see the legend. We call this is a legend, and blue is for the month of January for comedy. Yellow or orange is for February for comedy, and this gray color is March. And similarly for thriller also. So each color is presenting the respective month, while different bars are this group of bars. This group of bars is representing the movie genre. So this is the basic chart which you can include, and if you like the bar chart, we can include the bar chart also. And suppose if you want to insert the chart for like this for all movie genre, not for January, February, March, because you see here whenever you insert a chart, it is selected all together, because we just click it and scroll it. But what if you don't want April, May, June, July not included, but August, September, October? If you want to present August, September, October, then how do we do it? So let's do it. So whenever you want to insert any chart, then you select the genre like this, okay, and then let's select it again like this, and then you don't want January, February, March up to July, you only want from August, September, October. Then hold the control key, then select the 3 months which you like to insert in the chart. Now this will insert the chart for all this movie genre for the month of August, September and October. Let's go to insert and then click on column chart. And then let's try this time bar chart. All right, here the y-axis is coming this romance, documentary, thriller and comedy, and this ticket sales is coming in x-axis. So it is just the rotation of the bar column chart to bar chart. It's just rotation. The x is become y, y is become x. Here the legend showing the month of October, September and August. Theme remain the same. If we rotate this chart like this 90-degree back, minus 90-degree, then it will remain the same. Okay, so this is how you can insert the chart. And in the chart there are so many elements like the chart title, axis name should be there. So there are so many elements that we can add in the chart that we will be learning in the next chapter. And that's it for this lecture, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.